How to request a credit limit increase with RBC Royal Bank. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser you want. Now search for RBC Royal Bank and click on the very first website. This is the official website of RBC Royal Bank. Here, first of all, you have to sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on credit cards. Now here, once you have signed into your credit card account, you want to click on change credit limit option. After that, you will have to follow some instructions such as giving the income details, source of income and other expenditures. After you have entered all the details, you can click on change the credit limit option and then click on request. However, if you do not receive any reply from them, then the next method is to contact them directly. For that, you want to click on the three lines again and then scroll down and you're going to find the contact us option. You can simply click on the call option to call them directly, or you can also send them an email. However, it is recommended to find a branch and then go directly to the bank to request for a credit limit increase. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.